This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the oil and its freshness, because potency and safety matter. Once done, wash your hands and dry them thoroughly so you don't dilute the product. Make sure to shake the bottle to mix any separated oils, test 1 to 2 drops on your inner wrist, and wait 5 to 10 minutes for a reaction. If there's no irritation, you're cleared to proceed. These steps prevent adverse effects and ensure the oil works as intended when applied. You'll now apply the oil deliberately so it reaches the olfactory and skin receptors. Release 1 to 3 rolls onto your palms or directly onto pulse points. These areas warm the oil and enhance absorption. Then, place palms to face and cup over your nose to inhale 3 slow breaths. This anchors the scent. Make sure to gently rub wrists, temples, chest, or behind the ears in small circular motions for 20 to 30 seconds to distribute the oil and activate its calming properties. You'll finish by turning the application into a small ritual so the brain links the scent with sleep. Once applied, lower lights and avoid screens for 20 to 30 minutes to let the oil and routine work together. Breathing slowly helps too. If the scent fades, you may reapply 1 gentle roll after 30 to 45 minutes. If you experience irritation or a headache, stop immediately, wash the area with soap and water, and seek guidance. This prevents worsening reactions and keeps the routine safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.